but it flies great. This thing is like a weird stealth drone. All right, guys, we are here at the field with wind. Look at the flags, and that means I have to throw this way, which I can't. So I'm going to throw this way, which is kind of crosswind. We're here with Chad. Chad's part of you're part of the Facebook group, right?
Yeah, I'm part of the group.
Oh, cool.
I haven't built anything yet. I will.
But you're part of the group.
Yep.
You're just like you're keeping track. That's cool. So we got the Delta Fighter here. This is the first time maidening this new design. Obviously, I have my rubber band on here, which is causing some problems. I'm having some servo issues as well. Come on. There we go. I'm having some servo issues. I had a servo lock up and not move, and I have very limited trim, so that's going to be a thing. I also, this is a radical design that I have very little ideas of how this is going to fly at all in terms of CG. It could drill bit into the ground, it could nose into the ground, it could, I forgot the garbage bag, that's the problem. I needed a garbage bag. I'm gonna try and just throw this up real quick and get in a quick flight. I have to hold this thing from the back because I don't put handholds in. Yeah, this wind is just gonna take it back there. If it goes up too high, it's just gonna literally just take it. So I'm just gonna kind of toss it lightly. This is on a 3S 2200. Okay, it seems to be really twitchy, and it's definitely twitchy in the wind. Wow, it's flying. Wow. All right. Well, it's got so much power too. For a 3S, this is absolutely crazy. And it's really hard to see. It's super rolly twitchy. Wow. But look, it's very floaty. Ooh, I gotta turn the roll rate down. This is absolutely crazy. All right, I got to turn the roll rate down, and this thing is so unbelievably fast. It is the fastest 3S I have literally ever flown. I'm going to see if I can survive this. I would say that's a success. For a maiden, when I have no clue. Yeah, I couldn't see where it was half the time. It's so small. Wow, okay, cool. So roll rate down, and wow, I need a lot of expo, or yeah, a little bit of expo and a little, I'm gonna start this up in a second.
That sounds fun. Okay,
guys, we got less roll rate here, and Chad is allowing me to fly again real quick. This is not good etiquette on my part. Usually we take turns. I am so behind though. I have to go to do my taxes in like an hour, and I'm like so behind schedule. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna throw this up the same way that I did before.
Everything to the side with this nice weather.
That's right, this weather is incredible. All right, no wind. Wow, holy crap, this thing is a laser beam. Okay, so it was a CG, Chad. It's still going up a little. Whoa. All right, I am losing orientation pretty quick. This thing is fast for a 3S. Really quick for a 3S. Oh God, was that glider near me? Okay, cool. Okay, so it cruises, man. This is what would you say, 12, 13 mile an hour? All right, I'm gonna see how it does off throttle. It's definitely getting tossed a little bit in the wind, but it flies great. This thing is like a weird stealth drone. I like this thing. This is really fun. .3S. Who would have thought? It's doing a little wing wobble. Little bit of wing wobbling. Whoop. Success. All right, cool. The mini Delta Fighter is fun. and it's got really good power on 3S. Originally I kind of thought this was going to be a Tyler plane, because he keeps asking to fly the Pocket Rocket, and that is just not going to happen. I think the Pocket Rocket would be better suited if I put a gyro in it or something for him. This is what it says. This is going to be like the little mini Delta Fighter that you can put in your backseat of your car and never have to worry about taking up any space. And I'm going to check the voltage real quick before I kill this video to see what kind of voltage I ended up with here. Let's check it out and see. Is the battery warm? It is warm because I was going full throttle a lot. What is it? It is 3.87, so well within the range. Decent flight time, and battery goes right here. No extensions. These are the actual servo leads coming through. I want to take a peek here. So here are the 2 9-gram metals. They come through tubes right here, and they reach your receiver fine, and the ESC is buried right in the middle here, and you don't need any extensions. So super easy build. I started printing this last night at 8 o'clock, and I'm flying it today. Maiden, perfect flight. Needed a little bit of nose weight, and 50%, this is for my own mental notes, 50% on the rates on the aileron or roll, and 70% on the elevator. So ultimately perfect flight. I'm going to come back when there's less wind and get some more flights in.